What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't take a note. Remember once more.
Sau ngut ki khynnah kila Khlad kat balai ngut kila mensau hadin bakila syak tynrah haka mini dampa haka shnong that rang haribhoi. Kani ke jingshah kala ja haka lai terik risau haka ba ka mini dampa ka badan ya number ML05AC8447 kabawan na jawai syabhoi rembong kala tynrah ya san ngut ki khynnah ki bayat kejat ha kani ke jaka. Lai ngut na pedeng kini ki basyak tynrah kila Khlad hasyan kat ba iwei ila Khlad no na ka jing mensau jor ha hospital la ong u superintendent of police uvi rathor. Kini ki ba Khlad ki dei ka phiban pentingan renjak khat lai snem la shimti nongrum khat lai snem Teresa nongrum khat khandai snem bat ka rida hunlang nongrum khat lai snem na thatrang madan langba. Kani ka trok dompa hadin baladep tynrah ya kini ki khynnah kala hasurok ha ka ba unongnya bat unong yarap u Fairlindes rembai lai pusau bat u duin dekhar lai hui snem ru kila mensau. Kawai na kini kila not ha kadi ke jingshah accident ka Yuparisa nongrum khatwai snem ru kala mensau jor ha kini ke jingshah baro la penkit ya ki mar syabhoi rembong community health center banyo ya ke jingsumar.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.